Hey everyone! This is the Cash Flow Guy today. We've got a special topic that's on everyone's mind: growing your wealth. Whether you're just starting on your financial journey or looking for ways to boost your existing wealth, we've got you covered. First up, diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different assets like stocks, real estate, and maybe even some cryptocurrencies. This helps to mitigate risks and maximize potential returns. Next, set clear financial goals. Knowing what you're working towards gives your efforts direction. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or retiring comfortably, having specific goals helps you make strategic financial decisions. Now let's talk about increasing your income streams. Don't solely rely on your primary job. Explore side hustles, freelancing, or passive income sources. The more streams you have, the more you can save and invest. Living below your means is a game changer. It's not about deprivation, but making intentional choices with your spending. This frees up more money for saving and investing, accelerating your path to wealth. Education is key. Stay informed about personal finance, investment strategies, and market trends. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. There are tons of resources online, including right here on. Let's not forget about taxes. Understand the tax strategies available to you. Things like contributing to retirement accounts or taking advantage of tax credits can significantly impact your bottom line. Last but certainly not least, always have an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial cushion can prevent you from dipping into your investments during tough times. So there you have it, 7 ways to grow your wealth. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight. Consistency and smart financial choices over time lead to real sustainable growth. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips. Until next time, stay financially savvy.